Hey guys, welcome to Log Nips. Today I'll be showing you how to create a group on Viber on iPhone. And now let's dive right in. Now to create a group on your Viber app from your iPhone, first open up the Viber app like this. And after opening your Viber app, the interface will be similar to this, whereas on the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see the more icon available over there. Tap on that more icon, and after you tap on it, you can see there is the start a group chat option available over here just above the settings. Tap on start a group chat like this, and you can choose the person whom you want to add your group and tap on next, and you'll be required to enter your name. Let's go for family, and let's tap on done. And there guys, you can see we have successfully created a group over here and with the participants. And there guys, this is how you create a group on your Viber on your iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.